Temperatures in the Tennessee Valley are soaring well into the 90s, and it only takes minutes for a parked car to turn into an oven. So when someone sees a child or a pet trapped inside, the instinct is to act fast and break the glass. But does Alabama law actually protect you if you do that? We verify. A hot car can turn deadly in minutes. Experts say even on a pleasant day in the 70s, a car can heat up to more than 110 degrees in under an hour. So, if you see a child or pet trapped inside, your first instinct may be to break the window and get them out. But before you do, what does the law say? Can you legally break into a hot car to rescue a child or pet? Let's verify. Our sources are the Code of Alabama and Humane World for Animals. Here's what we found. According to state law passed in 2017, a person who breaks into a vehicle to rescue a child or an otherwise incapacitated person is protected from civil lawsuits, but only if they meet a few specific requirements. First, they have to reasonably believe the person is in imminent danger. The vehicle has to be locked, and there can't be another safe way to get the person out. They have to notify law enforcement or contact 911 either before or immediately after the rescue. They can only use reasonable force to get the person out, and they have to stay with that person and remain near the vehicle until help arrives. But here's where it gets complicated. That law does not mention pets. When researching, we found that Alabama is among the states that don't have a law specifically protecting someone who breaks a window to save a dog or cat. Lawmakers have actually tried multiple times to pass a Good Samaritan bill that would cover animals, but none of those bills made it into law. That means right now, if you break a car window to save a pet in Alabama, you will be responsible for that damage. So, what should you do instead if you see a pet in distress? According to the Humane World for Animals, you should write down the car's make, model, and license plate. If you're near a business, ask them to page the owner over the intercom, and if you can't find the owner, call the non-emergency police line or animal control and wait nearby until they arrive. So we can verify in Alabama you are protected if you break into a hot car to rescue a child, but that same protection does not exist for pets. If you have something you want us to verify, text us at 256-382-2692.